Here I have CUBOT Max 2 and let me show you how to reset DRM license on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the list of all applications, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose system. Here let's choose advanced and select here reset options. That's it. Here let me tap DRM reset and tap DRM reset again. This operation will delete all the license on this device, so if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's simply tap OK. And license have been deleted successfully, so now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.